Hi, this is Brenda Regal, and I have a short video to show you how to find information about child care licensing and regulations. It seems that some of you may be having trouble finding what the regulations are, what the requirements are for equipment in the infant room and in the toddler room. So this is a quick way to do it. When I'm at a computer and if I don't have the licensing requirements for Indiana bookmarked on my computer, I just do a search for Child Care Finders Indiana. That is an easy thing for me to remember, whereas I can't always remember the FSSA website. But once you have it marked in your computer, then it can take you there very quickly. But once I type in Child Care Finders Indiana, so I'm doing a Google search, I get a number of different listings, and I'll just click on the one that says FSSA. And then when I get to a page that looks like this, it says Indiana Government up here in the left-hand corner and Family and Social Services Administration. Then I know I'm probably on the right page. I just need to look and find what I'm looking for. So if I go down here to where it says Information and Resources, there is a tab that says Laws, Rules, and Related Policies. I will click on that. Because we're not talking about laws, we're talking about regulations. We're going to scroll down here to where it says Rules for Child Care Centers Licensing. This is Chapter 4, and there's usually about 60 pages. Sometimes it comes up 58 pages. I don't know why it comes up various pages, but it's right around 50 pages. And then because I'm going to be looking for doing a search, there is a couple of different things you can do. Sometimes if you left click, it'll pull up a find box for you. Or the other thing you can do is go over up to the top in your computer where there's some dots on the right hand side, and bring down that menu and it will say find. And then usually a box pops up and you're going to click what you're going to be looking for. So I'm just going to look for the word infant, and then I'm going to see if I can find infant equipment. I'm not going to put equipment on that because I may need to, it may bring up other things, but if I just look up infants, it will go down, and every place there's an infant, it will tell me, it will pop up on the screen. And I could do the same for toddlers. But it will tell you what the procedures are, what the equipment is, what everything you need to know about infants, and the requirement for taking care of infants. So I'm going to keep going down the page here. It will stop at every site. It tells you that all new infant rooms need to have 50 square feet per child. What to do about diapers, bathrooms, infant and toddler requirements for personnel. So let's see, it seems to be slowing down here on me for some reason. Here we go. So if I just keep scrolling down these pages, sometimes it depends upon the speed of your computer, or if you get good at doing this, then you can just, here's one on infant programming. There's section there on toddler programming, and here finally we are at infant toddler room furnishings in general. So that might give you some ideas about what things to include. Toddler room furnishings, and then infant, and then there's another section below on toddler equipment, and I think that is what you're looking for your questions. So this these pages right in here are what you're going to be looking for. There's infant equipment, and here's toddler equipment. So hopefully that will give you an idea about what types of equipment you need for your infant and toddler classrooms, and how to find information on licensing. Thank you.